Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHMP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, and after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the videos from last week, I talked about that 40-cent mark time and time again as an area of resistance. But now that the price is up above it, that would be what I would call the ideal level of support going forward. Meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? Definitely if the price can stay up above 40 cents. Now, with that being said, it's not like 40 cents is a do or die level or anything where if the price falls below it, that means the entire chart's destroyed. Not saying that. I'm just saying that if the price can manage to continue to stay up above 40 cents now, that would be a great sign of power going forward. As far as areas of, or I should say other areas of support, the key dynamic here is take note of that purple line and notice how it has officially not only stopped going down, but it's actually started to curl back upward. So as long as the price can stay up above that line, not only is it going to curl back upwards, when it's going to start to trend back upwards. And that's the ideal level that you would want to see the price stay up above. Because as long as the price can stay above there, that would certainly be a great sign of power going forward. Again, is it a do or die? No, I'm not going to call it a do or die. For more of the overarching point of view, though, that is where you want to keep an eye on that pink line there, the 200 period moving channel. That is, and even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is up above it, you definitely want to see the price stay above it from more so an overarching perspective. But as of right now, the price isn't even close to that pink line. But that's the point here. Preferably speaking, 40 cents, but that's also why if the price falls below 40 cents, it's not like it's a do or die level because you have plenty of other areas of support at the 50 period and then the 200 period. In terms of where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward. They've shown back up right around the 44-cent mark. You can see on two different occasions today, including the final 30 minutes. I suppose during the final 30 minutes, it didn't quite hit 44 exactly, but I think we can all agree got close enough. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, great movement today. Great way to start off the week. Remember, markets were closed on Monday, but when levels of resistance are broken like 40 cents was, always a step in the right direction. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.